All right, y'all. So we at this meet. Look at what I got. Boy, ain't he fugly, y'all? Don't turn around. Don't turn around now, John. Hey y'all, Will a hater. I was waiting for him to come over here so I could put his ass on camera. Look at his ass right here. And his shirt don't fit today, y'all. Look, I'm talking about, look. Put your arms in the air, Will. Put your arms in the air. Look, you can't do it. God damn it, look. Hey man, listen, so what's the name of this meat? Modded? Alright, so we had this modded.
It's my meat, yeah.
It's your who meat?
Mine. Pause.
Wait a minute. He talking about his meat. Anyway, y'all. I'm getting off of Will the rest of the day. He tripping. He talking about meats and I'm talking about car meats. He talking about somebody else.
It is my meat.
Listen, so we had to use a couple cars here. That shit ain't gonna lie to you. Don't worry, we gonna go over the Will's lack over there. You know what I'm saying? 0 to 60, 8.5 seconds. You feel me? You like that, don't you, Josh? 8 seconds? Yeah. He can't beat nobody. Except Nick. Except Nick. He beat Nick. Wow. But that don't really count because Nick, his differential was all messed up. You know what I'm saying? So ain't worried about that. Where Nick at anyway?
It's the same guy that come to the track on all tires. Playing with me. Playing with me, you gonna sit at the light, okay?
Wait, who you talking about? Me? Oh, you tripping? Is that a challenge?
That's definitely.
I'll bring you with the vet with the all-season tires.
Let's get it done. I said
you ready?
that Reese's
No. I'll come to the vet. I'll bring the vet.
I got respect for GM. I don't give a fuck about no Hellcat.
Bro, that's crazy. Why he hating, bro?
He ain't about to say the same thing about Ford though.
Right. Oh well. I don't like. So let's keep it clear. I don't even like Ford, y'all. So.
Listen,
nah.
Do I need to up the video? What happened to the last jailbreak that met me at the track?
Bro, he don't even got a real one. Tell Ken had 460 wheel horsepower. All right, y'all. It was proven. All right. 460. Oh, it was 460. You ain't see them on dyno?
I was there with you, bro.
Oh yeah, you was there. Wasn't it 460? Wasn't it 4? Wasn't his Hellcat like 460?
No. You.
Oh, it was more. No, it was more than that. It was like 580, right?
Yeah, it was close.
His Hellcat. Okay. All right. I was capped.
30. Or 640.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that don't even count.
Right? Something wrong with his.
And you got launch control on yours.
I think it's because
what they got to do with it?
Yeah, what did yours hit? You never said it. Yeah.
562, 580. Oh, for now.
No. The first one 516.
562.
Man, we'll be lying, y'all. Where the screenshot at? He didn't give you the screenshot?
He said, shit.
Dang, that's a.
Having a shitty day, man. Literally.
He is. See, first the shirt don't fit, and now he's stepping in doodle.
Oh, is that damn Reese's?
Is it? It is.
So no, no, he was like, I'll send it to you, cause at the time something happened or
he
whatever.
He never sent it to you.
I forgot to hit him up. He was like, he just followed me and was like, yo, I'm gonna send you all the shit. He said, my bad. So shout out to Vet Lab.
It's on YouTube. It's on Ronnie recorded. It's on my channel. And I'm gonna tell Ronnie when I see him. He can kiss my ass cause he ain't shout me out.
Quick.
So did we really just walk? We walked through all this shit to go to this wrap shop. This don't look safe.
Yeah, look, every YouTuber always finessing my car for their views. That shit crazy.
Finessing your car? Wait a minute.
That's crazy.
I see he's waiting for Melissa. That's a good boyfriend right there. That's what you do.
Put my car in it.
Man, you better hurry up before you get hit. So hostile, you just got here.
Bro, because people didn't know how to move out the way.
What people?
And then dude looked back at me and I said, I will hit your bitch.
What do you mean, you people?
Said I will hit your
Whoa, this is a child-friendly channel, buddy. All right, y'all, so they actually about to race. Hey, Therese, hold this for me, bro. Thank you. No drinking and driving here. Bro, it's just a can. I got to hold the camera.
Sean said he got you.
Bro, you not going to hold it for me? That's crazy. See how y'all said, no, it's okay.
Because it's empty, bro, so I'm going to be stuck.
I see how Therese do me. Hold it for me.
No.
I promise I'm going to take it back.
Sight. So it's empty, bro.
I know.
I can tell.
Bro, that's crazy.
That's a far run.
Hey, y'all, look what Therese got on his back.
What? You should help him out. Somebody go forward.
About to see who wins. There's a lot of people.
From what?
Not me.
That's what you get. I was going to take it off, but you ain't hold my cam for me.
Hey, you gonna get trampled.
Bro, you must not know. I got the
tight beat.
I'm gonna tell Melissa watch my YouTube, bro.
Nah.
Yeah. Now you If you get ran over, that's on you, all right? You call those McLarens what?
Printers, because MP412C is a printer name. So you call it a printer.
Well, that's, or is that how fast it is?
Nah.
As fast as a printer?
It's called an MP412C.
For real, because of the printer? It's a false start, y'all. Sean, we should have raced. Jay too over that, bro, okay? Jay only do it for money, bro.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Well, he didn't win. Yeah! He lit. Hey, Josh, you like that, don't you?
Another set of people, Jay.
Huh?
Another set of people to go.
They need an A's group. Do it by A's group. Hey, that was bold. Why y'all clap for my mans like that? That's bold.
What you mean?
Y'all know he didn't win. That's bold. Melissa was laughing too.
I was not.
Melissa was laughing.
That was like the special.
What the fuck?
Therese, you can't be saying that, bro.
You gotta leave.
You need to leave.
Right next
Nah,
to
he
you.
would have still lost.
Yeah, he would've.
He definitely still would have lost. Oh, they doing like a three trial thing?
Join in, bro. Come on, man.
I'm straight, bro. You go, Trey.
Hey, you got the shoes on, bro. Not
These
me.
shoes ain't for running. You clearly don't know nothing.
Hey, dudes, bro. Chill out, dog.
Yeah, I don't know what those are for.
Man,
You're
chill
right.
out. I'm
Hey, come on. Come on, Jay.
No, you ain't want to hold the can.
That's why we're running away. He knows. Every time I think about man. Oh, he knows. You coming to VIP?
I don't know why he coming over here.
Moving as slow as me.
Bro, no, I'm not. I'm about to jump out the way.
Someone's falling.
Yeah, somebody definitely about to fall. Man, come on, black man. You the only black dude. You lost. The hell? And he's skinny and black and lost. You lost to my mans in the Duke. Fool. Man, come on, black man. Yeah, I'm calling you out. I'm fucking with you.
Look.
Well, what happened?
If I ain't having high metabolism, I'll be looking like you.
Oh my God, I'm still faster than you though. So let's start there. Slow boy. Talking about high metabolism. All right, y'all. So I told Red Hoodie over here, he on the right, he better win. I got my money on him. Yeah, Gray Sweat. That's the one I told him run. Shut up, Petey. Petey, that's your name right now. I don't know, somebody off a movie I probably don't like. You are that old, bro. I keep telling you look 40. Bro, y'all, don't he look 40, bro? Legitimately, bro. Yes, you do, bro. Because I am older than you, stupid. If you was my kid, I'd whoop your ass.
Sponsor Red.
What?
Red to the far right.
I see, I already saw him, man. Hey, sponsorship, big sponsorships. I don't know, but he looked faster than all of them. Yep, I already got it. That's my money. 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 Hey, I need my money. I need my money. Oh, he busted shit. Damn, he busted. Oh, buddy. Hey, look. Hold on. I need my sponsorship money because I told you to do it. Yeah. I told him to race. He wasn't gonna race, but I knew he was fast. Hey, George Osgo. She a part of that 1% white, huh? Dang, Melissa. Dang, you marrying good, huh, Sean? That's why he laughing. Look at that.
Life insurance policy.
You got that $5 million life insurance policy?
Hey.
20?
No.
All right, here they go. Come on, Hoodie. I thought the dude in the Duke hoodie won last time. The Dora. What Dora? Bruh.
Focus.
Bruh, stop. That thing is booty cheek.
Who you got your money on? I think Red Hoodie might.
I got Red Hoodie again. He better win, cause
I got anybody Therese got, bro.
that's what I said, the Duke hoodie is. I think he took his hoodie off, so I don't know who he is now.
Oh, I think he took it off. He's the third one to the left.
In the sweatpants? Yeah, it might be him.
Gray sweatpants, and I like that dark blue.
The dude that had the Duke hoodie that raced first.
Over, it's the white dude with the blonde hair.
Hey, he would have won too.
Bro, someone's
hoodie would have won. Somebody.
Oh, you talking about the red?
Yeah, he gonna win again. Dang. I'm sponsorship, big sponsorship. When he win, I win. Not everybody, just me though.
You win, we win. Taking your glory.
Oh, if he win like a rap or some shit, oh, I'm definitely getting part of that. We rapping half our cars together.
Here you go.
Bro, they've been about to race with. Bro!
Do it.
No. The police will be here in 2 minutes.
Wait, damn, my nigga.
Alright, watch out. I ain't trying to get ran over.
He did not give him the piece behind that. There you go.
Oh,
I can't see!
ready.
Go, you're good, you're good. Go.
Flat, fuck off.
Let's go make it through the first.
He's not making it.
Oh, come on, let's go. We'll two down to the next one. All right, let's see it. Alright, let's do it. Another Miata. This is the contenders right here, the Miata and the S2K. Let's see it.
Man, I Hellcat go over to that.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, it's over.
How you stalling right at the...
Mustang crash.
Yeah, no, that Mustang crash, y'all. Oh my God, that was crazy. All right, so basically we about to go over here and see if they about to do burnout. Scott even came over here. Scott never come. Let me see. They ain't even doing nothing now. You gonna do a burnout when we leave to this?
I slid it coming here. Lil Terrence told me to slide out the bowling alley, so I slid it.
Bro.
My son is a bad influence on me.
Clearly. And you do it. You listen to it. Oh my God.
You only live once. Gotta make the kids happy, right?
Spin the track.
Right, bro.
Spin the tracks.
Hey, come on. Oh, God, nope. That's black smoke all day. I'm gonna step back.
Diesel.
I'm gonna step back.
Back up, turbo diesel. But don't stand this way. Stand in front of it.
I almost said something really fucked up. I almost said
What? What?
they're speaking Japanese. So I was like, Skylar, you understand now?
Hey, bro, that was high-key racist, bro, okay? That's what that was.
Hey, look, I have to get Skylar back because he used to come for me heavy when I was in high school, bro.
About what? Being black?
Yes.
Why?
So his grandma would
He's
make
the only
the-
black kid in school?
I was the only black kid that was over at their house.
Oh. Really?
Yes.
Your parents didn't let black people come to the house, Scott? That's what
Well,
he
no.
just said.
Their uncle is black.
Their uncle?
Yeah.
What? How was their uncle black?
That one guy who ran the KFC.
Team light skin.
Oh, that's.
Bro, could have kept that one. Track off.
I mean, it's not a real. Oh, if I give you the keys, go slide the Hellcat.
It's a scat. It's a scatty.
You will?
Bro. Hey, Terrell, that's a white Hellcat with no tinted windows.
Fuck you, Jay, bro. Fuck you.
Got you, bro. Yeah.
He the only other one in America.
Let me see something.
Bro, PT, you gotta spin it with the turbo.
Hey, come on, show them how it's done.
Spin the mom whip. I don't want to hear it. No. I don't want to hear it. I want to spin it.
Hey, come on, send it out. You got a green light.
You got a green light. Bro, that's your fault, bro. That's your fault.
No, don't blame me.
Spin the Firebird.
Hey, slide it out. Oh, that be sideways. Hey.
What is a Dodge Dakota?
Yeah, hey, come on. Is that a Dodge Dakota? Come on.
That's how we when I lead though. I don't know why that Viper's even trying to come in here.
Hey, slide that skid out. Hey, go ahead, bro. Hurry up. Hey, come on, you got a green light.
Come on, you got a green light. Don't worry, he wait till it's red, then he gonna go.
Hey, slide that skid.
He gonna wait till it's red, then he gonna go. He said, Scott, what did he say? That's what Terrell said. He said, Scott, what did he say? Bro, that's Mandarin anyway, bro.
Hey, do a burnout.
That's definitely Mandarin.
Hey, burn that bitch up.
Look, you making sure his wheels.
Hey, burn that bitch up. Throw it anyway. You know what's true. Hey, burn it out. Come on.
Hey, yo, boy. He wildin'. Mitch like no. Like, no.
Come on, Jay, show them how it's done.
Yeah,
show them how it's done.
Somebody do what? Oh, hey, y'all get on the car.
You back up too, bro.
They almost got taken out. What up, bro?
I'm taking it. You can't.
Hey, do a burnout.
Hey, that Aston. I should get an Aston. I should get an Aston, Therese. Don't nobody got those. Oh, you know, but hey. They not. Come on. It's one cop car. What are you about to do? Come on, let's go, Scott. Where they at? Man, let's go, Therese. He tripping. That don't mean it's one cop car. Like, you might as well wait now. Yeah. Because everybody gonna be looking. You don't work there anymore, do you?
No, but I just dead ass ripped ass. I'm gonna walk away from that gym.
Bro, why you gonna do it right here while I'm sitting here, you fat mother stinking. Man, anyway, y'all.